Hey, to add contacts into your Redmi Watch 4, first of all, you have to grab your phone and open the Mi Fitness application. And now from this, you will have to actually go into your device. Then from this, you will have to actually go into the favorite contacts. And now from this, click add. As you can see, you can add up to 10 favorite contacts. So now when you do this, from this list, you can actually pick any contact that you want to add into your watch. So let me select, for example, this one, and maybe this one. Now when it is finished, I can just put my phone back and go back. And now I can just take a look how it works on my watch. So I have to go into the menu, scroll for the contacts. Okay, looks like it's not available right here. So I will have to actually go into the, okay, never mind, it's here, but that's actually the different one. And as you can see from here, we've got our favorite contacts and we can quickly make the calls. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.